Hi Becca Beauties, my name is Hrush, and I'm a celebrity makeup artist. As the head makeup artist for the BECCA BFFs collection, I'm going to show you the new BECCA Glow Letters and 3 different ways to glow up with this baby. I like to call them sweethearts because 2 shades glow better together. And these are my BECCA besties.
Hi, I'm Ferris.
Hi, I'm Raquel.
When you swirl these sweethearts together, you get the most delicious shade of bronze. And what I'm going to do with her is just swipe it on the peak of her cheek. You can even crush up the letters and create a magical glow dust and glow to town. I mean, who does not want to look buttery gold? And what I really love about this product, it gives you such a beautiful shade of bronze and a very natural looking sheen. This also works as an amazing eyeshadow. So I'm going to take the peach golden tone and use it for the inner corners. Open your eye, just to brighten up her eye. I'm going to enhance the arch of her brow. It creates a lifted eye effect. Now I'm going to use the chocolatey shade on her crease and lid. The 2 shades create such a beautiful reflect together. Thank you, Becca Beauties, for watching me glow up with these gorgeous ladies. I hope you get inspired by these looks. BECCA BFFs, sending love and light.